As a marketing director at a large corporation, you want to shine by doing great work for your team and your clients. But it can be hard to shine when you have offices across the country or on your campus with no single source for managing and accessing marketing assets. In fact, it's total mayhem. Enter Brandstash by Southeastern, the ultimate asset management solution that streamlines your digital files and physical assets all in one place. It's easy to select your printed collateral and promotional products to be kitted and shipped straight from our warehouse. Brandstash makes it a snap to automate workflows, personalize marketing materials with print-on-demand templates, share, personalize, schedule, and track social content, leverage dynamic user access and budgets, access real-time inventory reporting, receive actionable insights and personalized messages to save you time and money, and so much more. Plus, Brandstash integrates with your favorite apps, providing a seamless ordering experience. Additionally, we keep your assets containing PHI safe by following strict HIPAA and HITRUST guidelines. Schedule a demo today to see how Brandstash can help you turn that marketing complexity into marketing simplicity. Brandstash by Southeastern, your all-in-one solution for marketing asset management.